Take 4. Okay, hopefully I can get through this time. It's the 4th attempt to try to do what I thought was going to be a really quick and easy video to add some additions to stuff that I said in the introduction video. I hope by now you've seen the intro video posted in the class and that you've watched it, but there were a couple of things that I didn't mention there that I feel like I should. First, many of you will write in your discussion posts about the stuff that mankind has done, or mankind does, or where mankind came from, or men this, men that, men every other thing. Don't do it. Do not exclude over half of the human population in your discussion posts. It's not just mankind, there's womankind too. And I know people may roll their eyes and think, oh, for crying out loud, how does it matter? If you're really interested in why it matters, I will be happy to provide you with all sorts of data from all sorts of social sciences that explain why gender-specific language matters. But the short answer is, in my class, my expectation is that we will be gender-specific. So if you're talking about the entire human species, say humankind, or say the human species. If you're talking about men and women, then say men and women. If you're talking about a group of men, fine, say men. If you're talking about a group of women, say women. But make sure you are being precise, because precision matters. And again, it is unacceptable when people will make responses in the discussion or post things in the discussion that exclude over half of the human species because they talk about mankind or they write about men doing stuff. That's number 1. Number 2, sort of off on a completely different direction, is in the discussion, you'll notice that I do break things down by week. And my expectation generally is that, the week is going to go from Monday to Sunday. In any given discussion, I expect that you will have made your contributions to that discussion by Sunday night, by midnight on Sunday. I will often post the next week's discussion question early. I'll try to do it on Sundays, Monday at the latest. But regardless, Monday is when the week starts, so your discussions from the previous week need to be wrapped up. You're perfectly free to go back if you have not participated in a particular discussion for any reason. You can go back after Sunday. You can go back in week 3, you could go back to week 1 and make a comment, but please understand that those discussion posts are not going to get the full credit that they would get. Certainly better to get partial credit, of course. You don't want to get a 0, but if you want full credit for your discussions, you need to make sure that you're participating in the discussion during the week in which the discussions occur. Having said that, another comment about the discussions is I will often ask multiple questions during the week. Sometimes I will post a question on Monday. I'll wait a day or 2 to see what kind of direction our conversation is leading in, and then on Wednesday I'll ask a follow-up question. It'll be in a separate thread, have its own heading, but my expectation is still that you will reply to that discussion question, even if it's the second or third question for the week, in the same way that you replied to the first. That being, every student will have their individual response, plus there will be 2 comments to other students. And I think that's it. I'm almost positive that I'm forgetting something, in which case I'll probably have to make another one of these videos, and you'll just roll your eyes at me and think, for crying out loud, why can't Brown get his stuff together? But I hope you're enjoying the videos. I hope you find them useful. If you ever have questions or comments about the videos, please feel free to ask them in the discussion forum, or shoot me an email, or send me a message, whatever. I'm always looking for feedback on the videos, or to address any topics that come up in the video as part of our discussion. So, have a good afternoon, and I hope that you enjoy the class.